Interior cabin 12241. Let's take a look, guys. First of all, the key card has to be in the outlet for the power to come on, just like all the other Mardi Gras rooms. So let's go in a little bit. Not bad, really. A decent amount of space for an interior room. This one's set up with a single large bed. I believe they would probably call this a king. I think it's a little bit bigger than a queen, looking like to me. Let's see. So you've got a TV, of course. It looks like there's a wine cooler, a little fridge. You've got yourself a stool, a little desk makeup area. And some storage. Pretty normal for Carnival. Hanging storage. There is a safe. I know it's a little dark, hard to see that because of the lighting in here. And let's take a look at the bathroom. So here is the bathroom. It does have a glass shower door even in the interior rooms, so that's pretty cool. Nice touch. And yeah, so yeah, you got your sprayer, hand one, and you know, pretty standard bathroom for Mardi Gras. I think it's basically the same no matter what, whether you have a ocean view or a interior. So there you go. That's the interior room. Leave any questions in the comments, guys.